Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. Thank you for joining me for another tutorial today. We've got our bob long gel press here. I'm going to start with Sundance. I'm going to pop this colour down on the stencil, followed by the russet orange, and then I'm popping that down onto the gel press. And then I'm not taking any ink off the brayer. I'm going to roll over the top just a few times. I've got my brusho and my fan brush, and I'm going to use a little bit of the lime green. I've watered them down plenty, just taking off that little bit to start with. And I'm just running that lovely lime green just at the one side. And then taking our watercolour card, pop that over the top. So I'm now going to use our lovely green man. I'm going to ink this up in the twilight. Now we're going to take our watercolour pencils. Maybe a bit of pink and a bit of green. Now obviously if you add your water and you feel like you need a bit more, dry it off and keep working with the pencils. It's the best way to get some really nice depth of colour. And I'm going to ink up with the meadow, the golden meadow. Just gives us another texture. It's very subtle, which is exactly what we want because this is our focal point. This is what we want to be drawn to. So we don't want any dark sort of stamping going on, which would take your eye away from the green man. So now I'm going to use my stencil brushes and just bring in a little bit more colour. I'm going to use the Merlot, and I'm also going to use the Mermaid. And I've got my Posca pen here, and I'm just going to highlight, and I'm just using my finger just to dab to blend it. We've got some of our green stickles. It's a beautiful colour. This one, yeah, lime green. Can you see the glitter there? I hope so. Well, there we have it. And I hope you've enjoyed today's demo. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. Nice, quick, easy background. Something to have a go at. Thank you for joining me. You take care and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.